GoPro, start recording. What's up guys, redphotographers.com. Peter here today reviewing GoPro 8 Black. I am just so excited about this video. I was so pumped when I heard this news that a GoPro 8 is coming up, and I think they really did a very good job, and without any further ado, let's get in and see what is the difference between 7 and 8. Price is the first thing. GoPro 7 goes for $299 and GoPro 8 goes for $399, which is totally worth it for $100. Difference number 2, HyperSmooth 2. Super stabilizer with boost mode, which is great if you want to get those kind of active shots that, get a little bit buttery smooth shot. One thing that I always had craving of was that little mount in the bottom that it was just pain in the ass if you wanted to use it under the water, Now you have that flip out mount and you can easily pack it. You can put it in your pocket without having any pain around your thigh, Even sometimes I got crazy about that. The third difference, 6 different focal lengths. Oh my god. It goes from 16mm to 39, 16mm super view, 16 to 35 wide, 19 to 39 linear, which is great for vlogging, and 27 they call it narrow. Difference number 5, TimeWarp version 2. This time TimeWarp has auto speed selection, meaning it's gonna detect the speed of your movement, and according to that, it's gonna get how many shots per second. This is perfect. Why? Because it looks just more realistic. Difference number 6 is gonna ruin the iPhone and just all the smartphones. SuperPhoto mode got advanced. Guys, this is not a joke. This advanced mode in Hero 8 is just awesome. Difference number 7, live burst mode, meaning 1.5 seconds before and after you press the shutter. Burst mode set to 90 shots per second. One thing that all of us hate about GoPro is sound quality. This time they put 3 different mics with NR reduction, noise reduction, and it is 10-meter waterproof. Now let's talk about accessories that you can get in December 2019. Shotgun mic, 3.5mm with 2 cold shoe mount. Flip out a screen, what we all were waiting for. So if you're a vlogger this time, this is a game changer. And accessory number 3 is LED lamp or LED light. For me as a professional photographer, started with film photography, using this kind of little stuffs was kind of embarrassing, but I started to like it. This video is not sponsored by GoPro or anything else. I just wanted to do this review for myself, for you to get something out of it. I hope you like this video. If you like it, crash that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post every single day. Thanks for watching this video. redphotographers.com. Peter here, guys. See you next time.